Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about how to speak in English. But before starting a video for today, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. Today I'm going to tell you about how you can be a confident and fluent speaker. Yes, you can if you will practice. There is just one thing in this world: if you want to learn anything, if you want to do anything, you just have to work hard. And if you want to speak in English, so you just have to observe English. Read a newspaper or a magazine every day. But reading is not enough. Do some more exercise, which I'm going to tell you in my today's session. The most important exercise, if you really want to speak in English, everyone has a smartphone and everyone has the headphone or the earphone. Just use it and tune any kind of cricket commentary, English song, or English movie, or an English media channel. Any channel, just tune. Just listen and go in a space where you are alone. Where you are alone and where you can repeat the words which you are speaking. Now start that exercise. Allow the headphone and try to listen what you are listening and try to repeat. So this thing will improve your confidence because you are listening and you are repeating. It means also you are developing your pronunciation also because you are listening the word as well as you are speaking the word. So this will also improve your adaptability speed of effective English language. If you really want to become a good English speaker, so the thing you need to do is work hard. Yes, I will here to motivate you. I can teach you, I can tell you the technique that how you can be a good English speaker and how you can be a good in public speaking as well as a confident and fluent English speaker. But I'm also here to motivate you that yes, you can do it. If you really interested, if you are really paying attention towards the English, because English can open a new possibility for you. It can open a global gates for you. You can go everywhere in this world if you know the English because you can communicate with the people. Like if you want to go to United States, so if you know the English, so you can go over there and you can get a job because you can communicate in English. You will not starve. You will not starve for the food because you can earn. You know the English, you can communicate with the people, you can do any job. You can do a good job also if you are educated, you are skilled because skill matter in life. But if you know the English, which is also most important thing, if you are good in communication skills, so yes, you can go in any English speaking country like Canada, Australia, England, New Zealand, United States of America, or any other English speaking country, which is also a developed countries. So you can go in any country, even in India, you can do the jobs in MNC or in the corporate sector if you are good in English. So the most important thing is here that English required practice. Like an example that practice makes a man perfect. It is the proven example. If you will practice every day, if you will practice English every day, if you will listen every day and listen and just repeat. Just allow the headphone, go in a place in your home or outside where you can just spend the time with you and with your mobile phone or your laptop. You just need to effectively listen effectively and just repeat. So this thing will improve your pronunciation. And one more thing which I have told you in the starting of my video, read every day because Reading is much important if you really want to learn any foreign language. If you really want to learn English, and if you really want to be a good English speaker or good in public speaking, as well as you want to speak confident and fluent English, how this will develop? This will develop day by day. You cannot become a athlete in just one day. You have to practice year by year, month by month, day by day. So if you will practice every day, if you do the practice, if you will read every day, if you listen every day, so this will improve your communication skills, and that's all you want. If you are good in communication skills, you can impact, you can give a good impression in front of others. Whenever you are talking with anyone and you are talking in a marvelous pronunciation, and you know the advanced words, which is authentic English, and you are speaking with the people in very politely manner, this will also improve your soft skills also. There are the so many types of English. Some people speak in English very fast, like they are just like Americans. But if you see the British people, they will speak in English with a pause. It means that a person who is listening to them, or the person who is communicating with them, can understand better as well as can answer well. So they do not need to repeat their words. Whenever you are speaking in a public, like public speaking, or you have invited in a program, or in like any gathering, and you got a chance to say some words, an anchor invited you, or as a guest you are invited, and they invited you to please say some words, like in a school you are invited to please say some words. So what you will do over there? You will speak about the people, about the principal, and about the staff, about the students, that students are really well, very nice, well dressed, and they are ready for their bright future, because you have to praise them, and by praising them you will connect them. Like, I would like to teach you in English because I would like to also motivate you. Let's if you are living in a village, or in a town, or in a metro city, anywhere you are living, you can learn English anywhere. Like, if you are, even if you are in village, you can speak in English. But the one thing is practice, my friend. If you if you really want to speak in English, my friend, so you just need to practice. You just need to practice English speaking every day. Reading is also a part of English speaking, because while you are reading, just mark my word, just read little loud. Whenever you are read little loud, you will listen your own self. And when you will listen your own words, you can correct your pronunciation also. That what is the correct pronunciation of that word, you can find out on the Google or in the dictionary. You can also, but Google is the best way to find out a proper pronunciation of the word. If you will find a good pronunciation of the word, so you can also improve, and you can also implement in your speech that what is the correct pronunciation of the word. If you know the correct pronunciation of the word, so you can speak English fluently. You can speak with everyone with confidence, and that's all you want. If you really want to give a good impression in front of others, even you are giving an interview or you are giving any speech in a public,